Hi, in this course, we'll start learning Blender from the very beginning. If you've just opened the program, don't worry, everything will become clear step by step. Here, we have the default scene, a cube, a camera, and a light source. At the bottom, you can see which hotkeys I'm pressing. This will help you easily follow along. To delete an object, press X and confirm. To add a new one, press Shift plus A and choose any shape you like: cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, torus, and so on. You can move an object with J, rotate it with R, and scale it with S. It's simple, try it yourself. Now we can see the cube. Please don't delete it. We'll start working with this cube. We've looked at the basic shapes, and now it's time to begin working with the cube. So, here it is, our cube. We'll be working with it. Let's rotate the cube and position it along the y-axis, so it faces that direction. Select the cube and press Command plus 2. This applies a subdivision surface modifier with 2 levels or subdivisions. Next, let's check the cube's location. Make sure it's set to 0, 0 and 0. Now we can start working. Select the cube again and apply the subdivision surface modifier. Then press Tab to enter Edit mode. Here, turn on Toggle X-ray or Transparent View, so we can select everything through the mesh and avoid hidden faces. Now, let's switch to Select mode. We can choose between vertices, edges, or faces. In this case, select faces and then select half of the cube. Because we already applied the subdivision surface modifier, our cube now looks like a sphere, but a slightly different one than the default UV sphere. Delete the selection half, keeping only one side. Now let's add a mirror modifier. Since our object is correctly aligned along the y-axis, the mirror applies along the x-axis, and that's exactly what we need. And that's it. From now on, anything we do on one half will automatically be mirrored on the other side. We are now in Edit mode. Let's press A to select everything. Then press S, Y, and stretch the shape along the y-axis. As you can see, we now have an elongated shape, kind of like an ellipsoid. Next, let's delete some faces. Select the face you need on the one side, press X, choose faces, and delete it. We'll do the same at the bottom. Select the faces we don't need and remove them. Let's wheel become the eyes later. You can see that the shape stays perfectly symmetrical because of the mirror modifier. Now let's add some loop cuts. Choose loop cut from the menu and add one, then another one. This gives us a few more faces to work with. Select the face you want and delete it again. I hope your result looks the same. Now, exit Edit mode, select the object, it's properly still selected, and choose Shade Smooth to smooth the surface. But something still looks a bit off, right? Let's press Command plus 2 one more time and add another subdivision surface modifier. Perfect. Now all our holes look nice and round. Don't apply it yet, just keep the modifier active. And here we go. Our shape is starting to look like a little creature already. I'm not saying goodbye. We are just getting started. Thank you all for your likes, your comments, and for watching this video. Let's keep creating together in the next one.